Here is a Undercover Ultraflex, Amp Research Power Steps, a Bedrug Carpet Liner, and a Amp Research Bed Extender. These are the most functional products for your pickup truck bed. They secure your belongings, they maximize your bed storage, and they enhance your entry inside the vehicle. These are automatically folding away. You just close the door, folds them away. This cover can be propped up with these rods and drive down the freeway with it open. This bed extender folds out, which allows you to have more bed usage, and fastens with these seat belts. Quick release on the tailgate. You can fold it up, and now you can use it as a cargo organizer. This Bedrug Liner is a match with the cover. It does not make contact with the back window, and these power steps fold away nicely when you're not using them. Open the door, they come right out, LED lights on them, fold away. This is a whole setup on a GMC Canyon.